Mbukeli kuseyithi laba siyagcogcoma nje siyachanasa senza umathanda yithi ama breadwinner abanikazi bempuphu kuthiwa phela ke Mbukeli enye indoda iqala ukusebenza yathengisa kale mpuphu ekhaya iqala nje nqa ukuthenga impuphu kuthe uma ngabe ke isibuye ebusuku ibiyela ke endaweni zayo yangqongqoza ke eminyango kwathiwa ubani lowo wathi yimini umnikazi wempuphu nanga omnyunye umnikazi wempuphu ke lapha eduze kwami uMadlunguthi. Yes, girl. You are the owner of the mpuphu.
Na yazi akukho right uba umuntu ahleke kanje ku television. Right use right.
Hayi ngisase right sana seku second hour.
Ewe ke singabanikazi bempuphu masibulise kwakhona kule yure yesibini yenqubo xa sithi ke qhaqhu kuyure esishiya ngasemva sinyathele ke imiba eliqela iquka iziphumo zonyulo lwaseZimbabwe apho kaloku umnumzana uEmmerson Mnangagwa ephinde waphumelela ugqatso lokwangamela isihlandlo sesibini akuphelelanga apho ke njengokuba nezemidlalo bezibethwa ngentonga kule mpela veki sisuka kuyo hayi ke masihlabele mgama thina abanikazi bempuphu
sibheke ukuthi iziphe ihamba phambili kuleli hora. Kulindeleke ukuthi umbuso ubize ufakazi omusha namhlanje ecaleni lokubulawa kaSenzo Meyiwa eliqulwa enkantolo ephakeme eSepitoli.
Mnangagwa Emerson Dambudzo of ZANU-PF party is declared duly elected president of the Republic of Zimbabwe.
Inkokheli yeZANU-PF uEmmerson Mnangagwa uphinde wonyulwa njengomongameli waseZimbabwe ngempelaveki kwaye inkokheli yeqela eliphikisayo Nelson Chamisa khalaza ngelithi unyulo lumisiwe.
Lochani, good day. Nilochiswa ngubongi ngwakwamthweni. Ngithi kini ke babukeli ekhaya, bukelani ekhaya jikelele. Qobe ngamalanga kube ngumvulo, bekube ngulesihlanu. Baniphathele zemidlalo, baniphathele indaba, baniphathele nomgosi mbala. Ungaphundwa, bukela.
Kulindeleke ukuthi kwethulwe ufakazi omusha ecaleni lokubulawa kaSenzo Meyiwa uma seliqhubeka enkantolo ephakeme eSepitoli khona namhlanje. Bahlanu ke abalisa bathweswe icala lokubulala lonozinti webafana esigamekweni esenzeka ngo-2014. Ngolwesihlanu olwedlule inkantolo yaziswe ukuthi sabe singavaliwe isikhwama okwabegcinwe kuso isibhamu esiyingxenye yobufakazi kuleli cala esatholakala kumsola wesithathu umthobisi Mncube ngo-2015. Ngaleso sikhathi ke ungoti ohlola ukuthi ibhamu zisebenze kuphi uKennel Mangena athatha khona lesi sibhamu ngo-2020 lapho ke zigcinwa khona. Ngaleso sikhathi uMncube wabe eboshelwe icala elingahlobene nokubulawa kukaMeyiwa. Ummeli ke womsola wesihlanu advocate uZandile Msholo utshele ukuthi kuningi okwabe kungenzeka phakathi kanyaka u2015 ngesikhathi kushaqala lesibhamu nangonyaka u2020 lapho ke uKennel Mangena asithatha khona ukuyohlola ukuthi asikaze yini sisebenze kwezinye izigameko zokubulala.
Inkokheli yeqela eliphikisayo eZimbabwe uNelson Chamisa ayikathi thaca ubungqina ngezityholo zakhe ngakumongameli uEmmerson Mnangagwa. Chamisa unike iveki yokusa ityala lakhe enkundleni utyhole uMnangagwa ngokubhukuqa umbuso. NgokaChamisa iziphumo ezisemthethweni zonyulo lwangolwesithathu zinobuqhophololo.
Umholi we-Economic Freedom Fighters uJulius Malema ukhiphe umyalelo wokuthi basuswe ezikhundleni abaholi beqembu abehluleka ukuhlela amabhasi azothutha amalungu eqembu ngesikhathi kuyogujwa iminyaka eyishumi kusungulwe leli qembu. Umalema usho lokhu esithangamini sabe Iindaba emva komhlangano wekomiti lesigungu esiphezulu eqenjini lakhe obuhleli eKempton Park eMpumalanga yeGoli Zoro. Kulesi sinqumo seqembu ukuthinteka izithunywa zeqembu ezingama200. Umalema ugcizelela ukuthi bazothathelwa inyathelo abaholi beqembu abazodazinkani ukushenxa ezikhundleni abaqokelwe kuzo.
Izixhobo zamandla ezisuka eChina zizakuncedisa ngokumandla ekwehliseni uxinzelelo lwezamandla kweli. Ukunikezelwa kwezixhobo zamandla ezivela eChina ezichazwe kwiveki ephelileyo kuya kunceda ukubonelela ngesisombululo samandla kuxakeka kwiikliniki, izibhedlela, izikhululo zamapolisa kunye nezixhobo zoluleko. Oku ke kuthethwe ngumphathiswa wombane uGqirha Josienzo Ramaghupa. Umphathiswa uthi ke inqanawe yesi sixhobo sele imkile eChina kwaye isendleleni eza eMzantsi Afrika.
Undunankulu kaZulu inkosi uMangosuthu Buthelezi ongumsunguli weqembu iIFP ubehlanganisa iminyaka engama-95 edla anhlamvana. Ushengeke kulonyaka akazange phela ligubhe njengokwejwayelekile usuku lwakhe lokuzalwa njengoba elaliswe esibhedlela kulandela ukuhlabeka emasontweni ambalwa edlule. Kepha ke likhona ithemba mayelana nesimo sakhe kwazise phela namhlanje kukholakala ukuthi ke kungenzeka ukuthi akhishwe esibhedlela.
Ngokwestatimende esikhishwe umndeni wakwaButhelezi, inkosi uMangosuthu yelulama kahle kakhulu esibhedlela lapho igcinwe khona kusukela ngenyanga eyedlule. Nethimba lodokotela okuyilona elibhekele isimo sempilo yakhe lenelisekile ngendlela ushenge elulama ngayo, kanti liqagula nokuthi kungenzeka aphume esibhedlela maduzane. Selokhu imbabazane ilaliswe esibhedlela, imlayezo eyayifisela ukwelulama okusheshayo ingena ingenile iqhamuka enhlakeni ezahlukene okubalwa kuyo nomlayezo kaMengameli wezwe uCyril Ramaphosa kanye nesilo uMisuzulu kaZwelithini. Amalungu omphakathi nawo afisele usuku oluhle lokuzalwa kumntwana wakwaPhinda Ngene.
It's a very huge achievement to reach 95. It's a huge milestone. Not everybody lives to that. So I'd like to say happy birthday and many more years to come.
Happy birthday, Nkosi Mangosuthu Buthelezi. Hope you have a wonderful day and many years ahead.
I'd love to first and foremost thank him for his contribution in South Africa and wish him a very happy birthday. Long live the spirit of Ubabushenge. Long live.
Baba, Isandla Lulikhand. Happy birthday to you. God bless you. We love you.
Happy birthday, Shenge. We love you. We done all good things for us.
Inkosi uMangosuthu Buthelezi ongumsunguli weqembu leIFP ngomunye oseneminyaka eminingi njengelungu lePhalamende likazwelonke selokhu wangena kulo emva kokhetho lokuqala lwentando yeningi ngo-1994.
Mbukeli njengamanje ake sibheke sibone ukuthi kumi kanjani kwisimo sezulu.
Enkosi ngokuhlala nathi nisasibukele apha ekhaya jikelele kwinkqubo ndaba yakho uDTT. Ngelixa ke abafundi baka-matric bonyaka ka-2022 belungiselela imvo zabo, uNeotsholo ke nokumbhali wencwadi nosobashishini ebenezinye izicwangciso. Unyaka ophelileyo ke lo kaTsholo waziqalela iBusetsana Feminine, itawuli ke zococeko zabasetyhini ezithengisa ngexabiso eliphantsi. Sinaye ke apha namhlanje apha kwindlu yethu yosasazo uxolo Mutyeli kodwa uphako Zoom uzasixolela banzi ngomsebenzi wakhe. Newo masikubulise sikwamkele enkqubeni ekhaya jikelele unjani?
Good morning. Good, thanks and you.
Ndiyaphila nami enkosi. Newo ngaphambi kokuba nje sijonge singene nzulu kule ncoko yethu, ndifuna nje usicele thuphe ngawe kubani uNewo?
Neotsholo is an 18-year-old award-winning author, entrepreneur, and also a speaker. Based in Johannesburg, currently studying at the University of Johannesburg, my BCom in marketing management. And I have been more involved in entrepreneurship at the age of 15, and I have been writing books at the age of 15. And yeah, that's me in a nutshell from Pretoria, Mamelodi.
Wow, you're doing such amazing work at such a young age. So kunyaka ophelileyo ke wavelisa iBusetsana Feminine. Khawusixelele banzi ngayo yintoni eyakwenza ukuba ukhethe ukwenza eyakho imveliso yetawulo zamanina. What was the whole inspiration behind all of this?
I have realized that more females are suffering from they have to choose between buying a bread and also buying sanitary pads. It became expensive for a lady to buy sanitary pads, and not just because of they don't want, but because of it's expensive. And I came up with a solution with a lady, and we came up with this, trying to maybe coming solutions on how we're going to address period poverty. Because period poverty is not just about someone not buying sanitary pads, but it's also come to by menstrual hygiene education. Do we have more males knowing about menstruation? Do we have more children knowing about menstruation? What do we do? How do we get to make sure that there are no gaps between all of that? That's why I think inspired by Stand Pet, we came up with this thing, trying to become innovators, trying to become people who are going to close those gaps that people have in terms of menstruation hygiene, in terms of eradicating poverty.
Wow, amazing work. And I mean, it's rare to find umntu ozoba email ufana nawe ozawuxhabiseka ngezinto ezichaphazela amanina. We salute the extraordinary woman that raised you. Siyaqonda neyo into yokubana sele kukhona abantu abakuxhasayo abakunikeza isupport. Ingaba mhlambe xa uthelekisa nonyaka ophelileyo sijonga u2022 ungathi mhlambe ikhona iprogress?
Yeah, equally progress, because currently we have Stand Pets in 5, I think in 4 stores, and also our own website where you can buy them. And we have been able to sell all over South Africa, whereby some people from Northwest, some people from KZN, some people from Eastern Cape, they were able to contact us and we were able to deliver to them. So there's a progress that we believe we have been making and that have made us be able to be where we are currently. So.
Wow. And ndiyafuna into yokubana ndiyikhankanye into yokuba uxolo usemncinane kwaye ukuba uqale ishishini lakho usemncinci yinto enhle kakhulu leyo. I mean, you are only 18 years, you are an entrepreneur, you are a motivational speaker, you seem to be really goal orientated. Ungathi mhlambe zithini izicwangciso zakho ukusuka ngoku kuya phambili? What are your goals? Where do you see yourself?
I see myself being one of those young leaders who are going to become inspirational to our young people. I think being that one who's going to guide them and show them where to go. That's what we need currently. So we need young leaders who are going to take up the stand and show us, and lead us and show us the way to go in terms of entrepreneurship, in terms of anything that has to do with South Africa and also the world. So I'm not just seeing myself being a South African only, but I see myself being a globally known young entrepreneur as I'm heading to that journey.
Globally recognized. Wow, siyazinca nathi si ekhaya jikelele ubana sibe nodliwano ndlebe nomuntu o recognized waphesheya kwamalwandle. You talk about taking a stand. I can say that you are leading by example. Ungumfundi kwelinye iziko lemfundo ephakamileyo apha eGauteng. Ingaba mhlambe kunjani uqhuba ishishini nokufunda ngaxeshanye? How are you juggling both and also making sure that you create balance and you excel both of them?
It has been difficult, I don't want to lie, but it's all about what do you want. I think myself coming from a township known as Mamelodi, it became more inspirational for me to do well on my academics and also on my business. Because where I come from, it's where people need leaders like me, need young people who are going to say, I have done it despite my background, I have done it despite where I come from. You also can do it. That's what makes me be able to juggle my academics and also juggle business without any fear, without any contradiction. But I think I'm doing well in terms of academics because I'm able to get distinctions also when I'm doing my business.
Wow, amazing work that you do. Siyasafumanisa into yokubana ukwangumbhali wencwadi, not just umbhali wencwadi, but award-winning author. Khawusixele banzi ngomsebenzi wakho njengombhali. Siyaqonda into yobana ke wade waphumelela ne-Best Writer phaa kwi-Peli Awards ngo-2021. Congratulations.
Thank you so much. It's been a great journey currently, so because I think I'm writing my third book, which will be released on my birthday next year. Wow. So it has been a great one. I have been intentionally recognized. I have been nominated. Even currently, I'm nominated for an award, which is the Best Male Teenager Award at the Book Behind Award, which is based in Durban. So I have been doing well in terms of myself being a young author that is being recognized, that is doing well, that is trying to give people a message to literature. And because I don't speak much in terms of what to do, I use more literature to speak my thoughts, to be able to advocate for what I believe.
Wow, amazing work, Neo. Thank you so much for joining us. And I mean, your hard work and determination will surely pay off. Already, you are seeing the fruits of zomsebenzi wakho. Siyabulela si Ekhaya Jikelele kwaye ke sithintinga ntakandini.
Thank you so much for inviting me, Kalebo.
Kulebuka thina lo ke mbukeli besincokola naye nguye uNeo Cholo ngumbhali wencwadi nomvelisi weMosetsana Feminine esichazela banzi ke ngomsebenzi wakhe awenzayo kanti ngokumbukeli masithi qhwi evenkileni sithuma umntwana ayozithengela something wena ungaqhusha laze ubukele Ekhaya Jikelele. Enkosi ngokuhlala nathi usabukele Ekhaya Jikelele apha kwinkqubo ndaba yakho eTshotshentla uDTT. Ngelizwi lakhe ke elimangalisayo nelimnandi litsala abalandeli bomculo ngokukhululeka. Imvumi ye-jazz ozodwa Mabhena wazuza udumo xa wakhupha ke ingoma yakhe ethi Aline Volo. Yamphumelelisa ke imbasa ezimbalwa. Ngaphandle ke kokusebenza kumsebenzi wakhe osele uphumelele njengegcisa lomculo we-jazz, uzodwa ke wenza umsebenzi we-South African School School of Music kwidolophu yakhe yapha eMpumalanga. Phinde wakhupha ingoma ezimbini ezintsha ezithi Kalushi nethi Ngilivula Indlela. Uzodwa Mabhena ke ulapha e-studio uzosixelela ngohambo lwakhe. Bizodwa.
Lotshani ngilochisa ababukeli bejikelele Ekhaya Jikelele ku SABC. Nguyele Uzodwa Mabhena, the multi-award winner.
Yes. I mean, Nancy proof ukuthi sibalisa insomi inganekwane nayi iproof. Uyaphila kodwa Zodwa?
Ngivukile, nivuke njani nina?
Hayi sigawula sihuqa akho kwanto sikhalazelayo singeva ngawe.
Sengivukile nami.
Siyabulela kakhulu. Uqale into okubana ube nothando lomculo at a very young age. Siyakhalela uqonda into okubana at what point ke ngoku wathi jonga ndiyawuthanda umculo ndisemncinane but now yinto yami umculo.
Okay, kuthe after ngimatriculator decide ukuthi ngifuna ukustudisha music. I want to do this professionally. Ngingayenzi nje, ngiyenza ingabi ngathi ngiyenza as a hobby. So decide ukuthi ithi ngiyostudisha music so that ngibe nama qualifications, ngibe neziqu zo music. And then lokho kwangikhulisa kakhulu kwamambala, kwangifikisa ekutheni ukuthi ngikwazi ukuthi ngingene esichemeni iLadies in Jazz, ngadlala khona ibass for isikhathi eside. And ngilapho nje kwenzeka ukuthi iLadies in Jazz ngikhulise sithore umhlaba wonke and then kufikela theni ngifuna ukuzijamela mina ngibe nguzodwa Mabhena ngikhiphe wami umvumo. Yes, as uzodwa Mabhena.
Wow, such a beautiful journey. Uthi wathora umhlaba wonke wade wazifumana ke ngoku wanguzodwa Mabhena, that is you are going solo. So kwi solo yakho uye wa release nengoma ethi Kalushi. Ndiyaqonda obana kulongoma wawunikeza imbeko kwiqala umnumzana uSolomon. Khasixele banzi ngale ngoma.
Okay. Bengikhamba ngifunda ngoSolomon Mahlangu. Kodwana ngifila ukuthi akakagidingwa ngendlela efaneleko ngoba uyilwele ikululeko ye-South Africa asesemncane impilo yakhe wabulawa asesemncane khulu. Kodwana ekubulaweni kwakhe bese akwenzile okukhulu ukuthi ayilwele inkululeko. Kuba yini angagidingwa? So ngabona ukuthi musi ngikhona and music has got a big voice than anything else. So ngathi angenze ingoma ngoSolomon Kalushi Mahlangu ukuze agidingeke ngalendlela mina engifisa ngakhona.
Wow. And ngathi into okubana umsebenzi wakho uye wakwenza into okubana uzuze indumasi ezi sizijongileyo. Siyabona nalapha etafuleni into okubana jonga Handslab nayo yathi siyeza for the effective use of mother tongue in the album. Kuthi wawukhethisa ulwimi lwakho lwesindebele kuyo le album. Khawusixelele banzi ngezindumasi othe waza nazo namhlanje. And I mean ndiyabona apha into okubana kuthiwa effective use of mother tongue. Why was it important for you as an artist into okubana uqaqambise ulwimi lwakho lwenkome kwimculo wakho?
Ngabona ukuthi nangizovuma ngenye language message angeke uzwakale because fanele uphume kimi ehlizweni. So to put it across fanele ngithome ngiyibumbe mina ngokungaphakathi kwami ngelimi engalimunya ebeleni so ukuze omunye umuntu angizwisise kuhle. Ngikho ngibhala umvumo wami ngesindebele.
Wow. I mean ndiyakhalela ke ngokusito bana usichazele banzi nangeze ezicaka kwakho. So this is you uvuka uthi xa uvuka nje nazi qhaqa nguwelo. I mean senje uyabonisa into okubana umsebenzi wakho ayingomsebenzi wakho nje kuphela kodwa bakhona abantu that see value abazothi no you know what sifuna ukuhonorisha ngomsebenzi omhle wenzayo. I mean xa ujonga lempumelelo, what does this mean to you, especially xa uzo reflector back in your musical journey?
Lokhu kucho lithola khulu but kunginikela irresponsibility ekulu. Ngizothoma ngale Impumalanga Sunshine Media Award. This is my first award. Ngayithola ngisandu release my album was a month old. So I was voted as the title votelwa as the song of the year Best Song of the Year ngo 2016, and then le yalandela iSATMA a week after ngitholele ngathola le
supporters. That's uthwele mos. Awuthwelanga ngamlama
angathwali ngathola le iSATMA for a Best African Jazz Album, and then kwazolandela iPensa album ngo 2022 for ukusebenzisa ilimi lam emvumeni wami. Ngaleso sikhathi ngisathi ngisalindile kwavela iBasadi in Music as Jazz Artist of the Year.
So unyaka nonyaka
unyaka nonyaka, and engakayiphathi la ngeya yeUNISA as the Best Theory of Music Teacher.
Yes. Hayi sozofumana ne best Ekhaya guest. Because wow,
ngingayijabulela.
Uyazi hayi nobiyeza ndazi nobiyeza the way
ngingayithabela kakhulu kwamambala.
Uyawola into ethi jonga kwa yes awards ithi xa zikubona jonga uba imagnet to all this greatness, which is super amazing. And yakhalelela ke ngokuphawula kumculo wakho because uclassify as world music.
Yes.
I mean, tell us about that, Sendicho. Tell us about world music, and Sendicho njengemvumi, are you willing to explore kwezinye genres?
Ngiyafisa vele ukuthi ngiphumele kwamanye ama-genre. Kodwa na engicomposer ke ngikuzako la. Akungivumeli ukuthi mhlawumbe ngingenza imapiano, maybe kungangivumela nase ngiyitholile ibeat yakhona, but mina lokho engikuzwako vele ngilokho kufunwa mhlaba. Angithi uyazi music is a universal language.
Yes.
Umuntu ukwazi ukuthi avume ingoma uyifile ungayazi ukuthi ithini. So music is that kind of music ukuthi uzwe ukuthi ingoma le angizwa ukuthi ithini but iyangena egazini kimi. Yes, that is why ngiclassify music wami as world music. People don't understand ukuthi ngithini, especially that ngivuma ngesindebele, but bayawuthanda. That is why I get votes ukuthi ngithole nabonongorwana.
And that's the power of music. You may not understand the language, but uyayiva lento zamuyitsho uqonda ba okay le language ethethiwe apha ndiyiva kodwa ndiyayiva and then uyandiva na.
The song is talking to me.
Yes, but andiyivi bithini lyrics but ndiyayiva ikhona lamalungu ewachukumisayo. Ndiyafuna ukuza kaloku nakumba wokubana isikolo the wasivula, and I mean into yakho is to nurture young people, and inhle kakhulu umsebenzi owenzayo into yokubana njengokubana uye waphumelela njengemvumi uthi khawuthi ndibuyele ekhaya ke ndiyoncancisa umlisela nomthinjana nabo barhabule bafince koluncuthu mazangwa lomculo enthe nami ndaphumelela ngawe. Can you tell us about esisikolo?
Yes, ekuwineni kwami abonongorana la awards, that is why ngithi kunginikele a huge responsibility ukuthi manje ngenzani nga this legacy. Fanele ngichiyele abanye, fanele kube nabanye abozodwa amabhena abazokulandela ngemuva kwami. So ngiyinto eyangigcugcuzela kakhulu ukuthi iyenza ukuthi uvule isikolo ufundise abanye abezako bangabi nje musician abazophelela emoyeni. They must take this bayise phambili bayithathe as a profession. So ngenza ukuthi register isikolo, and then ngathi nangikokota eUNISA nakhona I was given a chance ukuthi my students can register ngaphasi kweUNISA babhale examinations zabo neUNISA. So sikhule njalo ke.
Aline Volo, that's your journey.
Yes,
it's flowing like a river.
Yeah. Aline Volo, let it rain and overflow.
Yes, let it rain and overflow. Amazing work owenzayo zodwa kwaye siyazinca kakhulu si Ekhaya Jikelele. Ngaphambi kokuba sikudedele siyarhalela ukwazi into okubana kwabantu abakuthandayo mana baqonda bajonga every year bakujonge ngamehlo bovu into okubana intoni oyiphekayo, ungathi intoni esekitchen abalandeli bangayilindela?
Isifiso sami ukuthi unyaka lo before uphela ngikhiphe another single. I-album yona ngiyenzile but ngikhipha ngamacozicozi.
Okay.
Yes, sengikhiphile ngilivula ndlela, ngikhiphile kalushi. So ngifuna ukulandela ngendlebe ezikhanyilanga. Before the end of this year bayilindele izoba available kuwo wonke ama-digital platforms.
Ngendlebe ezikhanyilanga khawusithele thuphe nje kancinci usithi because xa uthi indlebe ezikhanyilanga ngicinga oh my brother kwela cala. Is it ngabo?
Ikhuluma ngokuthi sacindezelwa kakhulu thina babantu abamnyama sathathelwa umhlaba okungowethu. Ikhuluma ngalokho sicindezelwe bobantu basihlukanisile bahlukanisa amakhosi wekhethu basenze ukuthi sinyaze amasiko wethu bobani bondlebe ezikhanyilanga. Yes.
Yazi one thing that I love and I really treasure ngamaNdebele ndiyabona into okubana bavukile mani emaqandeni. They are ba conscious bayazazi bangobani kwaye uyabona into okubana they are rooted in their identity. Enkosi kakhulu ngokuba usindwendele kwaye sikunqwenelela okuhle kodwa nealbum yakho ezayo sithi nayo mayihambe kakuhle, let it flow like rain.
Ngiyathokoza ukuthi ningimeme Ekhaya Jikelele.
Kuthokoza thina. Uthi lotshani ne napha ekhaya.
Ngizonilochisela.
Sithe lotshani.
Ngizonilochisela nani nisivakatshele ngakwaNdebele.
Siyolotsha ne? Sizolotsha. Right, mbukeli wami lo besincokola naye kaloku nguye igama lakhe uZodwa Mabhena olapha estudio sixelela ke ngohambo lwakhe njengemvumi yomculo. Sincokola kahle kakhulu ke njengoko engumseki wesikolo iSouth African School of Music. Enjongo yakho kaloku ikhulisa abantu abatsha. Kanti ngokumbukeli masithi qhwi evenkileni qiniseka awuqusha lazi ubukele iEkhaya Jikelele.
Ngakumkhanywe bandla ngiphezu kwendatshana kwafi